Good morning, students. In the earlier video, we had completed till question 5th, means from the later part till the later part. And in this video, we will discuss question 6th. In the question 6th, we will discuss article and report, because speech and debate are deleted from your syllabus this year. So let's start with the question 6th. What is the question 6th, and what should be the appropriate answer for this one? You can write down yourself. These answers are only hint for you. Do not copy from the video. So let's start. Our performance in Rio Olympics has told us that we do not pay enough attention to athletes and outdoor games. It is time we revised our attitude. Sports should be an important part of school's daily routine. Write an article in 150 to 200 words in importance of outdoor games. You are Srija or Thomas. So, let's see the answer first. Importance of outdoor games. First of all, always keep a thing in your mind. Write down the title in the center only. It is written on the left hand side, but it is the wrong way. Always write down the title of the article in the center of the line. Then after, in the next line, you write down the byline, means by, and the name which was given in the question. Next, start with the complete article, making paragraph. Do not write in a single paragraph. Always make 2 or 3, or you can make 3 to 4 paragraph in the article. So let's start. Games like cricket, hockey, tennis, football and badminton are outdoor games that are played in the open. They are games that involve physical activity and also a spirit of healthy competition. Outdoor games are important to relax ourselves and to charge our batteries, as proverb goes. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. In this age, then you skip one line, or you should write down with a new paragraph. In this age, where children are suffering from obesity, outdoor activities form an important part of the curriculum. Outdoor games also have long-term benefits on health. They help the kids stay fit and healthy as they feel tired at the end of the day. They will sleep on time as well. Outdoor games develop a competitive spirit and also boost up their confidence level and self-esteem. They learn to interact and also to build a strategies to win. In this tech save age, it is very important for the children to leave their television, laptops and video games. They should go out and learn the importance of outdoor activities in their daily routine. Now see the next question. What is the next question here? Next question is Culture Society, Sunshine Public School, Nellore organized an adult literacy camp in its neighborhood. Write a report in 150 to 200 words on the camp for your school newsletter. You are P.V. Sunitha, Secretary. Use the following clues: number of volunteers, hours spent in teaching, location of the class, chairs, blackboards, number of people attending the camp, and benefit. So, let's see the answer first. I reminded you, do not copy from the video. Do not write as it is which was given in the video. You write down yourself, write down your ideas, but you can take help from this video. So first of all, adult literacy camp, PV Sunitha, Secretary Culture Society. It is the address given in the question. Sunshine Public School, 9 March 2017. Now you should write down the report. An adult literacy camp was organized on 8 March 2017 in our neighborhood. The activities of the camp were carried out by the Cultural Society of the school, and there were a total of 20 volunteers. The chief guest for this occasion was Mrs. Kavita Nayak, a renowned social worker. There were 500 people who were a part of the camp. They were divided into different groups and free classes were given to them. A cleanliness drive was also organized to teach them the importance of cleanliness. There was also a small talk on the ethics, moral values, discipline, punctuality. Free books and stationeries were distributed to them. Later, the chief guest presented the volunteers with the appreciation certificates. She congratulated everyone for organizing this noble event. Next question is speech. You already familiar with that. Speech and debate are deleted from your syllabus, so there is no need to write down this one. Next one is private cars. So this is also a debate, so I already inform you. This is not in your syllabus, so there is no need to revise it. After this, there was an extract. This is for the 12th class only, and this is also for the 12th class. Next one, the question answers. सो ये जो क्वेश्चंस थे आर्टिकल और स्पीच, जो अभी हम लोगों ने आर्टिकल और जो रिपोर्ट हम लोगों ने किया, उसके बाद तो आर्टिकल और जो रिपोर्ट हम लोगों ने किया है, इसके बाद मैं कुछ आपको क्वेश्चंस दूंगी. ये दोनों क्वेश्चंस जो आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहे हैं, दोनों ही आपको खुद से सॉल्ट आउट करने हैं. यानी कि इन दोनों का ही सोल्यूशन मैं आपको प्रोवाइड नहीं करवाऊंगी. दोनों के दोनों आर्टिकल्स हैं, एंड आर्टिकल इज़ मस्ट फॉर यू बिकॉज इट कैरी 10 मार्क्स, सो it is compulsory for you. You write down both the questions in your answer sheet by yourself. First question is, a country needs a dynamic leader to meet the challenges before it and take it ahead on the path of progress. Write an article in 125 to 150 words on the qualities you would like your leader to have. You are Mohan or Mohini. This is an article. You write down the answer yourself. I do not provide any answer or any clue. Before this, in the earlier question, I provided the solution and the method how to write a good article. Next question is, adventure sports are becoming more and more popular among the youth of our country, and India is a new destination attracting thousands of sports enthusiasts from all over the world. Write an article in 125 to 150 words on how to promote adventure sports in India. You are Suhash or Suhashini. These are the questions. You write down yourself. इससे आगे का जो हमारा जितना भी क्वेश्चन पेपर रहेगा वो हम सिर्फ 12th क्लास के लिए करेंगे. 11th क्लास के लिए इतना ही जो क्वेश्चन पेपर है वो हम लोग करेंगे, क्योंकि 11th क्लास में और 12th क्लास में जो इतना ही सेम होता है. बाकी जो क्वेश्चंस हैं जो अभी मैंने आपको पेपर में दिखाए थे वो डिफरेंट हैं. तो क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट में हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट किया था, पैसेज कंप्लीट किए थे। उसके बाद मैंने आपको जो है राइटिंग पार्ट स्टार्ट करवाया, 2 पैसेज मैंने आपको प्रैक्टिस करवाया। उसके बाद राइटिंग पार्ट हम लोग उसके बाद से कर रहे हैं नेक्स्ट। इसके बाद जो है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पेपर से मैं इसी तरह से आपको जो है राइटिंग पार्ट और पैसेज की जो है प्रैक्टिस हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।